Hey, I want to show you how to make carpet freshener. You know that the ones you buy in the store have lots of harmful chemicals in it, and it's not good for you. So what I did is I just took a old sea salt container, I grabbed a funnel, and let's try the bigger one. Not sure how this is going to work, but we needed to get in there. This is just regular old baking soda, and I'm going to use Thieves Essential Oil. You can use whatever you want that smells good to you. You just pour it in. If you have a mask, you can put it on, because this does kind of get in the air, but I'm kind of keeping my hand over it. I'm just pouring it in there. You can put it in any kind of container that you want. I like to use something that resembles the top of like the carpet fresheners that you see with the holes, and something that turns. Alright, so I'm just going to put this in there. Alright, it feels pretty full. It's probably about up to here. Unfortunately, I have a lot of carpet in my home, so I probably use a lot of this. So now I'm just going to take the Thieves and put in about 15 drops. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so a lot of little. I put in 20 drops. And so I'm just going to let this go on in there. And I'm just going to start kind of mixing it around while it's dropping. Kind of mix the Thieves through there. And you don't have to just put 1 scent. You can put whatever you want, however many you want. Some people like orange, lavender. I did lavender last time I made this. Alright. That smells like Thieves to me. So pop the top back on. And now you spin it. Spin it all the way close. And then you kind of just shake it. Oh, it's coming out. Okay, shake, 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 shake. So you mix it all the Thieves up like a drink. Alright, so that's good. So then you put it on your carpet. Let it sit for overnight if you can, but if not, at least let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then you vacuum it up. And that's it. This is how you make homemade carpet freshener. Peace out.